Hello friends, myself Animesh Sharkar. Welcome to our channel Electrical and Automation. Today we discuss our Simocode. What is Simocode, components, functions and applications. So let's start. Simocode is a software tool developed by Siemens, probably used for configuring and managing motor management system. It provides a user-friendly interface for setting up, monitoring and troubleshooting motor control and protection function. Simocode components. Basic unit. These are the central processing unit that manage all operation, include motor, start-stop commands and monitoring function. So we have many basic unit like Simocode C, Simocode Pro VPN, Simocode Pro V Profibus, Simocode Pro V Modbus, Simocode Pro V Profinet, Simocode Pro V Ethernet. So let's start one by one. Simocode Pro C, the basic performance system for Profibus and direct online reversing starter for 4 input 3 outputs, freely parameterized input for thermistor, monostable relay outputs. Simocode Pro S, the smart general performance system for Profibus and for direct online reversing and star delta starters. 4 input and 2 outputs, freely parameterizable input for thermistor, expandable with expansion module. Simocode Pro V Profinet GP, the smart general performance system for Profinet for direct online reversing and star delta starters. 4 input and 3 outputs, freely parameterizable input for the thermistor, expandable with expansion module. Simocode Pro V Profibus, the variable high performance for Profibus, which offers numerous function in addition to all for the Simocode Pro C and S function. 4 input and 3 outputs, freely parameterizable input for thermistor, monostable relay output, expandable with expansion module. Simocode Pro V Modbus RTU, the variable high performance for Modbus RTU, which offers numerous function in addition to all for the Simocode Pro C and S function. 4 input and 3 outputs, freely parameterizable input for thermistor, monostable relay output, expandable with expansion module. Simocode Pro V Profinet, the variable high performance for Profinet, which offers numerous function in addition to all for the Simocode Pro C and S function. 4 input and 3 outputs, freely parameterizable input for thermistor, monostable relay output, expandable with expansion module. Simocode Pro V Ethernet, the variable high performance for Ethernet, which offers numerous function in addition to all for the Simocode Pro C and S function. 4 input and 3 outputs, relay parameterizable input for thermistor, monostable relay output, expandable with expansion module. Operator panel. Installation in control cabinet, door or front plate for connection of basic unit. System interface for connecting a PC. 10 LEDs for status indication and operator panel display have a 7 LED for starter function. Current measuring module. This module current measuring through whole or bus connecting system, current measuring up to 0.3 ampere to 850 amperes. Current or voltage moduling module UM. This module current and voltage measuring through whole or bus bar connects system. Additionally, voltage measurement, power measurement, power factor measurement, phase sequence measurement. Component digital module. You add additional binary inputs and relay outputs to the basic unit with up to 2 digital modules. The input circuit of digital modules are powered by an external source. 4 binary inputs to relay outputs. Analog module. The basic unit is optionally expanded by analog inputs and analog outputs. 0 to 20 milliamps, 2 input passive for inputting and 1 output for outputting. 0 to 4 milliamps or 4 to 20 milliamps. Earth fault module. The external ground fault monitoring using residual current transformer and ground fault module is used. Temperature module. Irrespective of the thermistor, protection of the basic units and additional maximum 3 analog temperature sensor can be evaluated using a temperature module. Function. We have a protection function and monitoring function. So we start for protection function. Protection function. Overload function. Unbalanced protection. Protects motor from excessive temperature caused by excessive phase unbalance. Phase failure protection. Protect motors from excessive temperature caused by phase failure. Stall rotor protection. Immediate trip after the motor current overshoot an adjustable threshold. Thermistor protection. Simocode Pro provides the option of connecting thermistor sensor for monitoring the pointer temperature. Dry running protection for centrifugal pumps. The following high performance device can be used to implement dry running protection function of centrifugal pumps through active power monitoring and motor shutdown time. Monitoring function. Current limit monitoring. Current limit monitor is used for monitoring the enable incident anomaly in system to be detected in good time. Current limit monitoring. The current limit monitoring is used for processing time. If a current limit exists but still below the over limit, it can, for example, indicate dirty filter on a pump, the increase slashing motor bearing. If the current limit is undershoot, it can be first sign of worn out drive motor build. Ground fault monitoring. Residual current monitoring relays are used in industry to protect system from damage caused by residual current, prevent production losses caused by unplanned downtime, perform maintenance to meet all demands. Voltage monitoring. Monitor for under voltage, monitor for further availability. Even when the motor is switched off, Simocode Pro can indicate that for the availability of the feeder by measuring the voltage directly at the circuit breaker or fuses. Temperature monitoring. The Simocode Pro S, Pro V and Pro V Profinet GP device for the option implementing analog temperature monitoring. Example, motor winding the bearing Simocode Pro S with a multifunction module, Pro V or Pro Profinet with the temperature module. Active power monitoring. The active power of curve of a motor reflects its actual load. Excessive load result in increased wear of the motor, thus may lead to premature motor failure. Cause 5 monitoring. The power factor fluctuates more than the motor current, particularly in the low end performance range of the motor. Monitoring operating hours, stop time and number of starts. Simocode Pro can monitor operating hours, stop time of a motor, avoid plant downtime due to failed motors caused by their running too long or being stopped for too long. For example, if an adjustable limit value is exceeded, signal indicates that the relevant motor requires maintenance or replacement can be generated. After motor has been replaced, the operating hour stop time can be reset. Application. Simocode Pro is an often used for automated process where plant downtime are very excessive and where it is important to prevent plant downtime through detailed operating service and diagnosis data or to localize the fault very quickly in the event of a fault. Simocode Pro is modular, space saving and suited especially for operation, motor control, central, the process industry, many plants. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and comments.